going to be using leftover rice and chicken to make a chicken and rice casserole. And it's good, it's easy, and it's a good way to use up some leftovers. If you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, first of all, I'm going to get 4 tablespoons of butter melting. Got just a little piece of Velveeta that I'm going to be using. I'm going to cut it up into chunks. This is the base of a lot of my recipes. I got this starting to melt. And now I'm going to add some chopped onion. This is probably about half of a chopped onion. And I'm going to let that soften. And while I do that, I'm going to get my liquid. I'm going to use about a cup of the liquid that was left from my chicken. Because I did my chicken in my Instant Pot. I already had the rice cooked. And I'm going to do a cup of milk. I don't have whole milk, but 2% will be fine. And some heavy cream. Finish that off. Alright. And I've got 4 tablespoons of butter. We've got a half an onion chopped. And I'm gonna, as soon as the onion gets a little soft, I'm gonna add 1/4 of a cup of plain flour. And just make like a white gravy. I got a cup of chicken broth and a cup of milk and about a half to 3/4 a cup of heavy cream. Alright, my onion is starting to soften. I'm sorry about my drain. Now we're just going to cook out the raw flour. It doesn't have to get dark brown. Just want to cook the flour a little so it won't taste like raw flour. And I've got my oven heating to 350 degrees. Alright, now I'm going to add my liquid. And you want to keep stirring this. Until it thickens. Stir it constantly so it won't stick and burn on the bottom of your pan. this base I use for so many casseroles when I have leftovers. You can, like I'm adding leftover rice today, but you can add leftover noodles and add chicken. I make my chicken spaghetti this way. I'll start this and add in Rotel tomatoes, and I would add it to the rice, but I'm out of Rotel tomatoes. And I just use this as a base, and it's great for leftovers. It's almost like your cream of chicken soup. But I add cheese to mine. Let that cheese melt. I'm gonna use, I didn't have much Velveeta, so I'm just gonna use the last bit up. Are y'all as fond of casseroles as I am? I love something I can make, and if I have enough to do two, I can put one in the freezer. I'm really a happy girl. I'm not sure I'll have enough this time. I'll just have to see. They grow quickly sometimes. Starting to thicken up. I love my wooden spoons. You want it where it's getting thick to where you do that and it stays. So now I'm going to add my cheese. And let that melt in. And I know I want to add some pepper, but I'm going to taste it before I add salt, because I've got salt in my rice, salt in my chicken. So I don't want it to get too salty. Plus the cheese is salty. That broth was salty. And I'm just going to go ahead and cut it off because it's hot and it's just melted that cheese on. Use a little, just a little, don't put much. Okay. I'm just gonna pour in my rice that I have. Chicken. And like I say, you can even juice this up with, you could add corn, you could add the Rotel tomatoes, which I would do if I had some. Good thing about cooking is you can pretty much, in the casserole, you can add just about anything that sounds good to you. English peas, I would like, my family wouldn't. That would be real good in here. Alright. I'm just going to sprinkle the top with some shredded cheddar. The thing I like about this pot is this pan is I can put it in the oven. And I will cook it for about 20 to 30 minutes. I'll be back. Well, she's done. Doesn't she look good? Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and give me a big thumbs up. So without further ado, bye.